Hello, I'm Patrick. Recently got certified as a Google Gemini educator. Seeing the need for you to also acquire key credentials to certify your relevance in this AI age, I've created a precise, practical, and preparatory course based on the exam, so you can get yours as well. Here's more detail on what you are about to experience. By the way, 90% of this video was done with some Google AI tools in this course.
Hey everyone, welcome. If you've been hearing all the buzz around Google's AI tools and thinking, okay, how do I actually use this to get ahead? Well, you are in exactly the right place. We are going to map out the clear path to getting certified in Google Gemini. So let me just ask you straight up. Are you ready to officially prove your AI skills? To get a credential that actually turns heads? Because that's what the Google Gemini certification is all about. All right, first things first, let's break down what this certification actually is. And maybe even more importantly, why getting it right now is such a massive opportunity. At its heart, this is way more than just a piece of paper. It's Google's official stamp of approval. It's them saying, yep, this person knows their stuff. It confirms you can use their AI tools for real-world projects. It's all about proving you have practical, hands-on skills. And look, you might be thinking this is just for the tech gurus, right? Nope. This is for pretty much everyone. I mean, think about it. An educator could use these tools to whip up dynamic lesson plans that are personalized for every single student. A student, man, you could power through research by summarizing sources in seconds. Or a business owner, you could automate marketing copy, analyze customer feedback. It's built to be a game changer for so many different people. So what tech do you actually need to get a handle on? Well, it all boils down to two key tools. Really understanding these is the foundation for nailing this exam. So on one side, you've got Google Gemini. Think of it as your creative sidekick for brainstorming ideas, writing code, you name it. Then on the other side, you have NotebookLM, which is like your own personal research assistant. What's the actual path to getting certified? Well, that's where the course comes in. It's really your guided journey, designed to get you totally prepped for the exam. And the whole philosophy, the big idea, is right here. It's all about a dual focus. You're not just learning the tech, you're strategically learning how to pass the exam itself. And trust me, that distinction is absolutely crucial for success. The path to getting this down is a simple three-step process. First, you explore. You get your hands dirty and actually learn the tools. Then, you strategize. You learn the key tips and the specific areas the exam really hones in on. And finally, you practice, practice, practice until that exam format feels like second nature. Now, what's up with the number 77? This, my friends, is the secret weapon. This course has 77 real, actual practice questions from past exams. So seriously, don't think of this as just another course. It's a career catalyst. It's one of those things that can genuinely light a fire under your professional growth and open up doors you didn't even know were there. And that brings us to a really crucial point. This whole opportunity, it has a deadline. And here's the kicker. Right now, as we speak, getting this official Google certification is completely 100% free. But that all changes in 2026. That's when it becomes a paid credential. So the window to get this on your resume at no cost is closing.
So, the takeaway here is pretty simple. The opportunity to prove your skills, to add an official Google certification to your name for free at a limited time frame, is now. That opportunity is here now. The advantage this brings to you is yours for the taking. See you in the course content.